Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're welcome. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra. You can call me Cassie. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and let's get straight into today's video. I'm going to be answering a question that I got on one of the comments from the video talking about weight gain. In that video, I highlighted the fact that you must exercise even if you want to add weight. And I got a comment that I feel a lot of people are also having that issue or might have that same issue. I promised that I was going to make this video, so I decided to make this video today. Explain to you what to do if you cannot exercise because of a health condition. So that is the question we are going to answer today. The question was, what do I do if I can't exercise due to a health condition? So we're going to be dealing with that today, and I want you to sit down, relax, take a cup of tea or juice, and let's get straight into today's video. To answer that question, the first thing I want us to understand is an active life also connotes a life of exercise. So what is exercise generally? Let's start with defining exercise. Exercise is just movement, body movement that is being targeted, for health and wellness. And when we talk about body workouts, we look at body workouts as certain types of exercises that are targeted to achieve a specific health goal. So when we say exercise, if you are someone who is very active, you walk around a lot, indirectly, you are also exercising. So I don't want you to look at exercise as a very big activity unless you are trying to target a specific body goal or health goal. For example, if you are someone who wants to build more muscle, you want six packs, there are specific kinds of exercises that you have to do, and you have to increase protein intake. So that is for a specific kind of exercise. Now to the question, what can you do if you cannot exercise due to a health condition? It is very important. And if you go through my page, there is actually a video where I talked about things that you need to do before you start exercising. And I remember that I mentioned it. You have to be very intentional about exercise. You have to be intentional because when you want to start exercising, there are certain things that you have to know. It's not just about, okay, they said we should exercise. Are you really fit to exercise? Do you have certain health conditions? And these are very, very important. So I'm going to be telling you some of the things that you can do if you have a health condition and you can't exercise. Your doctor has told you you cannot exercise for some time and you feel like, I need to exercise. I'm going to tell you some of the things to do if you cannot exercise, if you have a health condition. But there are many alternatives for individuals who cannot exercise due to a health challenge. And here are some ideas that I'm going to give to you. The first one is physical therapy. Now, depending on the health condition or the health challenge, you need to also talk to your doctor about this. Physical therapy can help you improve strength, flexibility, and range of motion. And a physical therapist can design a personalized exercise program to meet your needs. So you need to actually come in contact with a physical therapist for that. The second one is yoga. Yoga is one of my favorite exercises. It's because it's actually a gentle form of exercise that can improve flexibility, strength, and balance. And there are many types of yoga exercise. So it's important to find one that is appropriate for your health challenge. There are different types of yoga exercise that you can involve yourself in. Number 3, we have water-based exercises. This is actually very good because you're not doing so much. Examples, you have swimming or water aerobics, and it can be less stressful on your joints, muscles, while still providing a very good cardiovascular workout. Number 4 is Tai Chi. So Tai Chi is a gentle form of exercise that can help you to improve balance, flexibility, muscle strength, and it involves slow flowing movement. It's actually recommended for individuals with arthritis. So you need to check that out if you want to exercise, but you cannot because of a health condition. Number 5, we have mind-body practices, such as meditation. Meditation is a mind exercise, and it involves mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and it can also help you to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting any exercise program, especially if you have a health challenge that limits physical activity. So please make sure that you speak with a health professional, and I hope that this would help you out. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from it. You can also drop your comment. Tell me what else you actually want to know about exercise and how you can start. And I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to like and share this video. Subscribe if you have not done that. And I'll see you next time. I love you guys. Bye-bye.